Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this messy house clean with me. So today my house is a complete disaster, so we are going to be tackling some major cleaning today. We are going to be cleaning the kitchen, this eating room, the living room, my daughter's bedroom, all of that stuff. So you're going to get tons of cleaning motivation today in this video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Carly. I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle, DIYs, shot with me's, hauls, all of that stuff here on this channel. So if you guys enjoy videos like that, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and stick around. So a few things before we jump right into this video. I am currently sick. Our entire family is sick in this house, so don't mind my messiness that I look today. I had my hair up, I had sweats on, I was not feeling it, but my house was completely trashed, so it needed to be clean. Number two, there's literally stuff all over my house because we had just gotten back from Aruba and I'm still kind of unpacking. I'm pretty sure we caught something in the airport traveling home, so we're just kind of battling that and trying to deal with that. And then the third thing, sorry about the lighting. My house is seriously terrible to film in when it is light outside. That's why I always do like after dark clean with me's, but the lighting is just so terrible. But if you guys stick around to the end, I just want to say thank you in advance for all your support and all of that stuff. So same thing with the kitchen, there's just random stuff all over it. So we're gonna go ahead and take all of this stuff, all of the counters, wipe them down, do some dishes, sweep up the floor, all of that stuff to get this kitchen all nice and clean.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name.
And I just wanted to take a moment right here. This is real life cleaning. I'm not sure if you guys clean like I do, but I typically don't stick to one area in a room. I'm literally all over the place. I will start over on the one side, I'll go to the next side, I'll see something that I'm like, ooh, I need to grab that and put it away. Or I'll see a spot on the counter that needs wiped up. I am literally all over the place, so let me know down in the comments if you guys are like that as well.
No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
So to wipe down all of the countertops, I am using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the Snowdrop, I think it's called. Snowdrop, Snowball, I'm not sure. That scent I am using and I absolutely love it for the Christmas time. I get all of my stuff from Grove. You can also find a lot of it on Amazon. I do have an Amazon link that is always in the description box, and I have some cleaning products linked on there.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us
Funny story, I'm not sure if you can see real well the shoes I'm wearing in this video, but I do have on some like pink fuzzy slippers. They're actually real shoes. You can wear them outside, but I got them from Hollister. Funny story, I went to Dollar General tonight and I came home and my husband was walking around the house in them. I thought that was hilarious. They did not fit his feet, but he was like, look at my new shoes I got. And it was, I don't know, it was really funny. This made me think of it because I'm sitting here laughing about it still because it was hilarious. But next we're going to go ahead and move on to wiping down the rest of the countertops and starting on putting all of the clean dishes away and then doing all of the dirty ones.
I'm golden. He got it out for me, you know. He's such a lion searching prey. Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no. So spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working.
As I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, I'm looking at the Keurig sitting over there in the kitchen, and I really want to get up and go make some chai tea latte. But let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite drink this time of the year is. I recently went out to Walmart and I found like a peppermint tea that I really want to try, and I want to add some vanilla creamer in it. I think I'm going to go do that after I'm done doing this voiceover. But let me know down in the comments what your favorite seasonal Christmas drink is.
It's just a self-reviving thrift. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no. So spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late. Unrehearsing my fate, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. So spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late. Unrehearsing my fate, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself. Ooh, yeah. Spinning it out for me, spinning it out for me, baby. Ooh, yeah. So spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late. Unrehearsing my fate, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself.
I plan on doing a kitchen deep clean really soon. I like to do that at least once a month. We are actually only here in Pennsylvania for another like 4 weeks, and then we are heading down south to get the 2020 training season started for my husband. So I said previously my content is going to be a little bit different. So these last few weeks up until January, I will be posting 3 times a week. After that, I'm not really sure what my schedule is going to look like just because we are going to be living in a travel trailer. We do have someone coming to stay at our house while we are gone all winter time. So I might be back and forth between there and our house and trying to film as much as I can in my house, but I just want to let you guys know that. But now we are moving into my daughter's room. There was a ton of clean clothes that needed to be put away. I was starting to do laundry from Aruba, so I'm just putting away all of the clean clothes, gonna tidy up her room and then give it a nice vacuum. I'm not gonna lie, this was the first time I was in her room since we got home, and you can see me put my hands on my head. I was like, oh my god, I did not know her closet was this messy, or I wouldn't have done this. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this closet cleaned up. I felt way better in the end because normally, like this day, I was not feeling good. I would have just shut the doors, but I stared at it for a second. I was like, this will literally take me 3 minutes tops. I'm just gonna get it done so it's not sitting on my mind anymore, even though I didn't know about it. But if I were to close the doors and go out to the living room, I would probably come back in and clean it up. That's just how I am. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up this closet and then hang up all of the clean clothes that get hung in her closet.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
If you have little ones and you are needing a Christmas gift idea, that rocking horse literally is probably Evelyn's favorite toy. She runs into her room at least 10 times throughout the day just to get on her rocking horse and rock back and forth. So if you guys need a gift idea, that is a good one because she absolutely loves it. Next, we're moving into the living room. As you can see, the lighting is terrible, but this place is destroyed. We're gonna get all the toys cleaned up and then vacuum.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted.
I'm not sure what it was today, but I was finding messes that I did not know was there. First the closet, then underneath the couch. I was cracking up as I was cleaning under here because there was just so much random stuff. There was something for a GoPro that we actually needed when we were in Aruba, and I find it hilarious that it was under the couch. Evelyn just puts everything under there and then we don't see it until I clean it out. But this is going to be all the cleaning in today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I do future uploads. I hope this brought you tons of motivation to get something in your home clean today, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment down below. I love getting to know you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream.